Nice, that tree is right in there. I love it. I love looking through the fence.
I know. Isn't it amazing? I'll say, this is an amazing view right here. We probably would have been better off at the other spot.
Move the chest closer to the water.
It's true. Okay, that doesn't help.
No.
I mean, I guess it does a little bit, but like, now I'm sitting at an angle. I don't know if it's worth it. Oh boy, here comes the whole clown car. Okay, they're just gonna stand right there. That's okay. Yeah, thanks, bud. Are they really just gonna stand right there?
No, want to sit down. I want to see the fireworks. All right.
There's your glow stick.
Push up.
Alex, you call Actually. Oh! That felt nice.
Hello. That wasn't good before.
I'm falling.
Alex, don't fall dead ass. Seriously, don't fall. We're gonna run home. Yeah, I'm not gonna run home.
You know, Mom, that's why I had the flash off.
I turned my flash off.
Wait, no, you didn't.
I just did.
Now.
Okay, I gotta go flash.
Yeah, there's a ton of drones up there. The whole drone army. Star Wars version 2 again. Here we go.
Should I go across?
Yeah, your flash is really off.
Shut up. Alex, don't go
Apparently it turned itself back on.
Alex, no. I'm not
I love how all the people right there just showed up last minute and just blocked everybody.
Alex, you're gonna
Like that. All that right there.
push the leg.
I'm across.
Sit there.
It's a much better view over here.
I don't know how to shut it off.
It's literally a lightning symbol. You just hit it.
Sure.
Firework accents are scary. You ever see those? What? Firework accents? Yeah. It's scary. Oh, like these up here, Hall? No, like actually. Yeah.
swear to God, they keep sidestepping. It just keeps blocking me. Why? They showed up last minute and they just blocked everything. I'm about to go over there and ask them to move because this is annoying me. Where's the fun in that? Because then I'd be a part of the issue. I don't want to be the issue. I don't see any smiley faces yet.
Hope that drum gets hit.
That'd be so funny. $3,000 down the drain.
Is there a
Like,
sound
don't-
delay or what?
Yeah.
I can't tell.
That's the thing. That's a helicopter. That's also a helicopter.
This is a lot better than the Asona one.
That's a drone. That's a drone. Helicopter there, helicopter there. There's a helicopter there. Oh, there's one right there too. Oh no, those are power lines. There's another one.
They got drums.
So that's not. Oh crap! It is. Yeah, that thing just moved.
I know. Look, that's a highway.
That's a helicopter.
Oh, Jen said no. Jen said no? Yeah.
That was a bright one. Really? Just throw a kid on that trip.
I was like, what about kids? She's like, no.
Literally, every time a firework goes off, I can see his outline in the firework. It's like, why?
She said another time. She said another time next Saturday is fine. Actually, I'm busy.
That was a
Plan.
cool.
You see that?
That's another good one.
They probably got it closed off.
No, I see cars.
Oh yeah, no, they can't close it off. That costs so much back. That guy was doing that.
Yeah, well, Mass does not push the
Yeah, but check out that. He can't money back.
Do they just keep walking over? Like, oh my god.
Where's Alex?
Alex is on the wall.
Thank you, Jesus Christ. Okay.
Where? Bye, Alex. Don't care where.
Alex is taking us to 3.
You guys might have some friends. Don't make me cry. Don't make me cry. We don't need no private picture. Oh, yeah, next year.
Okay, that was
We got 4 row seats.
Yeah.
No, they're the back.
No, we're not. Not at the brand. No, we're not. No, we're not. Do you think it's a drone or an actual helicopter?
Up there. There's like 3 drones and a helicopter.
That's not the Bravo.
Yeah, up there, right there. That's a helicopter.
That's what looks the power plant. Yes, that's the big place camera. That's where they are. Yeah, on that side, though. That's why I couldn't go. We're literally driving. Yeah, the features on the territory. Oh, that's the features still the old one. Yeah, the old one.
Oh, this is a lot better view. What are you looking at? It's too dark. I can't even see it. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I'll do something with it.
Show it to all your friends.
Oh yeah, all 3 of them. Yeah, I've just been holding my phone towards the fireworks for the past 11 minutes and 33 seconds.
For fun.
That's Route 6.
Why am I being surrounded by glow sticks? It didn't show it. It was too quick. Okay, yeah, it did.
The best fireworks I've ever seen. Obviously. Those were
Yeah, we need to go out on the boat and do this. Yeah, there's 2 drones sitting right up there. See, if I brought my drone, we could be recording this too.
For what?
What's the reason these guys are recording it? There's no reason, they're just recording it. That would have been scary though. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 or 5 of them. Yeah, they're all the same. See, they're all like security drones, and mine's just gonna go up there. It's like I'm part of you guys.
For why?
Literally, we get that shot by the cover.
Maybe make sure there's no fist fights going on.
Oh yeah, like they can see that.
Oh.
They can see our glow sticks though. Hey, I know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, Q5 is like, yeah, I said that. First, my mom was in the
See, what's? Oh my God! Look at that thing. See, this right now was like the grand finale at the last place, but it's been happening for like 15 minutes.
I need to take 2 steps to his left so that I can get some fireworks in the background.
Oh my God! That was what just happened there. I don't even know why I'm recording this because it's gonna be too long to even send to anything. It's like that was a good one. What was that one? That one was like a shotgun. That was some buckshot
See how
right there.
much stuff was falling into the trees last night.
Yeah, I thought that was gonna be forest fire. Get ready to go.
Start walking.
Or rolling in mom's case.
I love looking at all the smoke. It looks like octopuses.
Yeah, sure, you're like the only person that thinks that. But
That's it.
I see it, but it doesn't look like an octopus.
It does.
I didn't take a picture of this. I don't want to take a picture of it.
That's a good one. I like the different ones. Because last night someone all it had was like normal ones, like that. Actually, no, that was too fancy. Not like that. But like one color. Like these ones are all fancy.
Well, I think this place generally spends more money on fireworks than Berkeley does.
That's true. Berkeley has like, it's in debt. This place is definitely not in debt with Battleship Cove and everything. Okay, that was a good one. Why am I holding all these? I don't want these. I don't want all the flowers.
Why not?
I don't need glow in the dark flowers. Well, people are already leaving. All I wanted to see was a smiley face, and I haven't seen a smiley face yet.
Is that all you're recording from this?
Yeah, yep. So all I'm trying to get is a smiley face, and there's no smiley face. There's gotta be at least one. That's the whole reason why I'm recording is for a smiley face. And the grand finale. They gotta have at least one. I thought that was a smiley face for a second.
I don't know how close it is. I don't see the advantage of being off the board.
We should sit on the bridge next year.
What?
On the bridge. Over there.
I think it's probably illegal.
There's people doing it. I guarantee it. They're practically crawling. These have been going on for almost 20 minutes. And it still has
Are
not.
these still in memory?
It doesn't take out. It's a video recording. It doesn't take up a lot of memory.
Oh, I don't know.
Yeah, you could record for like 15 hours. Only take up like 500 megabytes or something.
That's why. My phone does not.
Yeah, I have like 3 pictures, all fish. Thank you.
All of fish.
I mean, I do have one picture of just like a close up of my eye.
Wow.
Yeah, I don't know why I took a picture of it, but I did. We didn't create that trash. Oh, where'd it go? I lost it. There.
Make sure nothing fell on my nose.
I hope the entire grand finale is just all smiley faces. That's the only reason.
How do you know what to eat?
Because we saw it last year.
I don't remember that.
We saw 2 or 3 of them last year at this place. That's the only reason I'm recording it, because I wanted to see a smiley face, and there's no smiley faces.
YouTube it. What was that sound? Out of memory? Sound?
No, that was her. I don't know when I'm gonna run out of memory. He's going. He's heading. Oh my god. When is this grand finale?
I don't understand why there would be this many security drones.
That's a helicopter.
I know, but there's more drones.
Well, out of the 10,000 people that are here, at least one of them has to have a drone.
I'll explain how they're able to stay up so long so that they don't have $129 ones.
Yeah, they have the $3,000 ones, the Phantom 4s or whatever they are. The things that have like the iPad as a screen.
Yeah.
Right, there's a minivan up here somewhere. Disguised as like Sal's Lemonade. With a booth of 5 guys staring at the movies.
CNT at its finest.
There's hope in my mind.
there is hope for CNT
He's gonna
people.
have one job for you. This is gonna be it.
Spying on people at July.
For like 3 days. Probably like July 2nd.
Alright.
Well, here we go. Why are they so low?
It's easier to put them off if they're lower.
So there's no smiley faces this year.
Sounds something that were like different shapes. I saw like a heart.
Yeah, I saw some that were different shapes. There was some that were shaped like galaxies and stuff. But there was no smiley face. The last one's gonna be a smiley face. How much do you want to bet? The last one. It's gonna go like 1,500 feet in the air. Highest one ever. It's just boom, smiley face.
Okay, they shut off like 20 fireworks and all look the same.
More like 100 fireworks. They don't look the same because they're still coming. Oh,
there we go,
there's a
those.
different color. There we go.
Get it? Red, white, and blue?
Yeah, I get it.
Make white, so gold is good enough.
Red, white, and gold.
Red, white, and gold.
It's good enough. They're not even loud. Like, what is this? This is more white than anything else. Still going.
I like the ones that made me blink. Or the ones that made me jump because of how loud they are.
See, at this point, when it gets that bright, my camera just turns completely white. Like, still going. Oh, they get yellow. That was better. Oh, there was a white. Wait, what? So they do have white. They were just lying to us the whole time. But now there's green in the American flag.
Yes.
Is it Christmas now? Oh wow! Now they're really advanced.
This grand finale thing sucks because we love it last night. At least last night did. There were fireworks next day.
I mean, is that it? No smiley face? No.